Making white Karahi chicken. For that I have taken 1 kilo chicken. I have used the Karahi cut. I have taken all the spices, cumin powder, pepper, salt, and coriander powder. I have taken 2-3 chillies. I have taken garlic ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic ginger paste. I will be using 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in the end. I have taken half teaspoon of the garam masala. I have taken 4 tablespoons of cream and 1 cup of yogurt dahi. For in the description bar I'll write all the measurements of the masala. This is the all the ingredients, guys. So few ingredients for the kadai. So let's start making it. You can see that I'm frying the chicken. I will wait for it to change in its color. The chicken changed a bit of its color. I added the garlic ginger paste, the chilies, and I'm adding the salt as well in it, and I'm going to give it a mix. I have added the cumin powder, the coriander powder, and the pepper, the black pepper. You can use 1 teaspoon white pepper, you can use black pepper of your choice. I'm going to add this in the chicken all together. Okay. So I put on in the yogurt. I let it simmer for 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. You can see that the oil is coming. So it means that it's the chicken is cooked and the curry is getting ready. I'm going to add the cream into it. I'm going to add the cream now inside, and I'll show you. Put the cream. I'm going to add the garam masala, that is half teaspoon, and I'm going to give it a mix, and I'm going to let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. You can see that after 5 to 6 minutes I have closed the stove, and I have decorated it with some chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, and this is ready to be served.